I don't know if you can see this, but it's raining in the sun. There's like barely clouds. They're not even dark. And I don't know if it's just my yard or what. And the neighbor's yard. It's raining in the sun. You can actually see the light, the sun reflecting the drops. It is crazy. It's like blue sky. It is blue sky. Like there's a tiny little, but that cloud's not dark. I don't know where the rain's coming from. It is crazy. Yeah. You can see the rain. The sun's reflecting it. Isn't that crazy? It is bright, like I'm covering my eyes because the sun is too bright right now. But yet it's raining over my house. And the neighbor's backyard I can see. It is, what the frick? Yeah, there's no cloud above me. There's no, look, that's above my house. And the few clouds that are there, they're small and they're not dark. What the fuck? But if you look in the light, you'll see reflections of the rain. What in the world? This might be going on YouTube. Like it's super light. The rain is like a drizzle almost, but it's kind of a lot at the same time. Like my glasses are getting, can you see my glass? I don't know if you can see the drops on my glasses from it. Yeah, dude. But the sun is so bright, like, holy, look at the sun, dude. But it's raining.